Scientists just spotted a giant sphere in space. It's too perfect to be natural. Are we alone in this vast universe, or are there other intelligent species out there? For years, scientists have been searching for signs of life beyond Earth, and now they may have just found something that could change everything. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at what scientists have discovered and why it has them so excited. It all started when scientists were examining data from the James Webb Space Telescope. This is the most powerful space telescope ever built, and it's able to detect light from some of the earliest stars and galaxies in the universe. But it can also detect things much closer to home. The James Webb Space Telescope can see things that are thousands of light years away, and it can see things that are relatively close by in space. When scientists were looking at one particular area of space, they saw something that they couldn't explain. It looked like a giant sphere about 1,000 light years away. At first, they thought it might be a planet, but as they continued to observe it, they realized that it was something else entirely. It wasn't a planet, it was a star, but not just any star. It was an artificial star. The star was emitting a strange signal that had never been seen before, and it was perfectly round. Scientists had never seen a sphere-shaped star before. They knew that no natural phenomenon could create such a perfect sphere, so they concluded that it must have been created by an intelligent species. Of course, this discovery sent shockwaves throughout the scientific community. Many scientists were skeptical at first. They couldn't believe that we would actually find aliens in our own backyard. But as more and more data came in, it became clear that this was no hoax. This was a real discovery. The question was, what did it mean? What kind of technology would allow a civilization to create a star? And what does it mean for humanity? As scientists continued to study this strange new star, they were hoping to learn more about its origins and what it could mean for the future of humanity. Who knows? Maybe we're not as alone in the universe as we thought. But while some scientists are excited about this discovery, others are not. They believe that it's dangerous to make contact with an alien civilization, and they're doing everything they can to stop scientists from learning more about this strange new star. This raises an important question. Should we really reach out to the stars and try to contact aliens? Or is it better to stay in the dark and just pretend we're alone in the universe? Let us know what you think in the comments below. In today's world, it seems like everyone is talking about aliens and UFOs. There are people who believe that aliens have already visited Earth, and there are people who think that they never will. But what do the experts say? Well, according to NASA, there is no evidence that aliens have ever visited Earth. However, they also admit that we don't know for sure because we haven't explored the entire universe yet. We simply don't know enough about the universe to say with certainty that we're alone in it. What do you think? Do you believe in aliens? Let us know in the comments below. Now, if you're still watching this video, then you obviously love science and technology. That's why we've created a newsletter that delivers the latest news straight to your inbox. Plus, it's completely free. Here's how it works. Every week, we'll send you a newsletter with the most exciting news from the world of science and tech. You'll get the inside scoop on everything from the latest space discoveries to the newest gadgets. And it's all completely free. So why wait? Sign up now and join the future of tech today. According to experts, the star is giving off a very specific radio signal that appears to be artificial in nature. While scientists work tirelessly to decode its meaning, the implications of this discovery are nothing short of groundbreaking. If indeed this message is coming from an advanced civilization, then it could mean that we're not alone in the universe. It could also mean that the galaxy is filled with planets that harbor life. However, there's another possibility that's equally intriguing. The signal could be a warning from an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. Some experts believe that these beings may be trying to warn us about something catastrophic that as about to happen. Whatever it is, we need to pay attention. This is because there have been numerous reports of strange lights and objects in the sky. These sightings have been reported by people all over the world, and they're not just random occurrences. They're part of a larger pattern that suggests that we're being watched. There have even been cases where these mysterious objects have landed on Earth. In some cases, witnesses have reported seeing strange beings emerge from these objects. These beings are often described as being humanoid in appearance, but they seem to have advanced technology that far exceeds our own. For example, in 2017, a man in Mexico captured a video of a strange object that landed in a field near his home. The object appeared to be metallic in nature, and it left deep marks in the ground where it landed. Although the man was initially scared, he decided to approach the object to see if anyone was inside. To his surprise, a door opened and a strange being emerged. The being appeared to be humanoid in shape, but it had large black eyes and a thin gray body. The man was able to communicate with the being using sign language, and it told him that it was from a planet called Hercolubus. The being said that it had come to Earth on a mission of peace and that it wanted to help humanity advance spiritually. After spending some time with the man, the being returned to its ship and flew away. While this story may sound unbelievable, there are many people who believe that it's true. In fact, there are countless reports of similar encounters all over the world. Some people believe that aliens have already visited Earth in the past. There are ancient artifacts and structures that seem to be of extraterrestrial origin. For example, the pyramids of Giza are massive structures that were built thousands of years ago. How the ancient Egyptians were able to build these structures without the use of modern technology is a mystery. Some people believe that the Egyptians were helped by aliens, who possessed advanced technology that allowed them to build these massive structures. Another piece of evidence that some people believe is proof of alien life is the existence of UFOs. There are thousands of reports of UFO sightings all over the world. While the government has not officially acknowledged the existence of aliens or UFOs, there is a lot of evidence that suggests that these phenomena are real. So, what should we do about this discovery? Should we try to contact these aliens or should we stay away? This is a difficult question to answer. On the one hand, it would be amazing to make contact with an advanced civilization and learn about their culture and technology. On the other hand, there is the risk that these aliens could be hostile or that they could bring diseases or other problems to Earth. The truth is, we simply don't know what to expect. But one thing is for sure, this discovery has changed our understanding of the universe forever. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up to show your support. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.